Today, we're going to walk through how you can integrate Cardtapp with your existing tech stack using Make.com. The first step will be to create a free account on Make.com. Once you have completed this step, you can follow along with this video that walks through the end-to-end setup process. First step is to click on the Create a New Scenario in the top right of Make.com. Then, click the plus icon in the middle of your screen. Search for Webhooks and select this from the list of available trigger events. Then, click on Custom Webhook. Click on Create a Webhook. Name the webhook Cardtapp Integration, or feel free to enter any name for your integration. Then, you'll want to click on Copy Address to Clipboard. Now, navigate over to your desktop dashboard. To get to the webhook screen you see here, click on App Settings and then Webhooks. Now click the plus icon in the top right of the Webhooks pane. Select Tapper, created from the drop-down list. Then, paste the webhook address from the Make.com scenario we copied earlier. Then, click the light bold icon. You will now want to click the plus icon and add an action event. Search for the system you wish to integrate with. In this scenario, we will set up an integration to add a row in Google Sheets for demonstration purposes. In the next step, you will likely be asked to authenticate for the system you are connecting to. This will vary by platform, but you may be required to generate a token or authenticate using your credentials for the CRM you want to integrate with. Next up, mapping the contact record data from Cardtapp to the destination system field structure. Common field mappings we will walk through here: Tapper name, email, Tapper tags, Tapper mobile number, referred by, and lead source. You can select any of the available fields you wish to map to your destination system. Once you have the field mapping complete, click Run Once. Then, go back to the Webhooks page of your desktop dashboard and click the light bold icon to run a test. Return to Make.com. You should see the 2 action steps have run successfully and are highlighted in green. We're almost done. Go to the destination system where the Cardtapp contact record data should have been sent. Verify that a record was created. In this example, you can see that a new spreadsheet row was added to our Google Sheets file. The final step is to return to the webhook screen of your desktop dashboard. Then, click the radio button to enable the integration. That's it. Your integration is now configured.